Hello everyone. Today is 4th of October 2021. Today I have incurred a loss of 7,840 rupees. You can see here. Let me refresh. You can see I have made around 7,840 rupees loss. Okay, I have taken trades in Bank Nifty today. This is 15 minutes chart for Bank Nifty and this is for Nifty, and for 5 minutes Bank Nifty and Nifty will be using CPR setup. Okay, Nifty and Bank Nifty will be having we are having this Virgin CPR as a resistance. Okay, here. So I have marked these levels, and in the opening, market opened near this demand zone here. You can see Sasana as demand zone. So market opened near demand zone in Bank Nifty and Nifty too. In Nifty also you can see this will act as a demand zone. It has opened near demand zone. But as we have a Virgin CPR here as a reversal point, I haven't taken any long trades. I avoided long trades and have waited for Virgin CPR reversal trades. You can see here in Bank Nifty, it has given a rejection inside Virgin CPR and this R2. So I have decided to enter in this candle close. I have entered in this candle close and have kept stop loss above day high. So it took my stop loss. This is my first stop loss and I have waited for some more time and I took again in this rejection. In this rejection candle, I have entered as an Virgin CPR reversal and kept my stop loss above Virgin CPR. Again it took my stop loss. This is my second stop loss for my day. So after this one I have moving to Nifty. I have seen this. It is moving very strongly in the upside direction. So I decided to wait until my further trades before taking any further trades. And then you can see it has given some fall here. It has given some retracement here. It has given some retracement here. So I thought this might be a trending day. So I have plotted this day high. Have plotted this day high and have waited for my setups, like it should come back to day high and it will form a double top and then it will fall until day low. Okay, this was the setup I was waiting for, or it will reach the day high and it will be like a trending day. It will move up like a trending day. So this is not my setup. I'm not going to enter if it is a trending day. I will be entering only if it forms a double top. I will be entering here. If any red candle forms here or rejection candle, I will be entering here. So this was my setup. I was waiting for some time and market has given me this opportunity, and I could see it has formed an normal head and shoulder. So this is an head and shoulder pattern. I have waited to breach this weekly pivot. This is a weekly pivot. So I have waited to breach this one and this neckline. If it has breached this one, I would have entered below this 200 EMA for the target of day low. It is stop loss above this neckline. So this also not happened, and as I said, it is coming back to day high. So I'm waiting for some false breakout here. Like it need to break this one and again it should close below the day high. If it would have happened, I would have entered for a target of day low, but it has not happened. So in this rejection candle, this is a rejection candle, you can see this is a rejection candle. I have entered in this candle with half of my quantity. Like remaining off, I will be entering if there is a false breakout. So I have entered half of my quantity here in this candle and kept my stop loss about day high, somewhere around 40 points. Okay, so I have entered here and kept a stop loss of around 40 points in option, and I will be waiting for 200 EMA as my initial target, and then next target will be the day low. But the market remained sideways for the remaining day also. So by 3 o'clock I have closed my position. Okay, these are the entries today I have taken. Today it hit my 2 stop loss and one is my break even trade. So that's it guys. We'll be posting tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you.